Hi friends, I am Kashish and you are watching KG Shala. So in this channel we will upload educational videos and today's video is based on sports. There are some questions in GK which are related to sports. It's basically a MCQ. So I hope this video will be appreciated by you. It will also build a nice curiosity level. So let's start. The term tea is commonly used in which sport? Options are A. Tennis, B. Polo, C. Golf, D. Racing. So your time starts now for giving the answer. The name of S. Vijay Lakshmi is famous in which among the following games or sports? Options: badminton, B. Table tennis, C. Chess, D. Hockey. Time starts now. Electra Gold Cup is associated with which sports? Options are A. Badminton, B. Table tennis, C. Chess, D. Hockey. Your time starts now. Question 4. Grand Salam is used in which of the following games? Option A. Tennis, B. Football, C. Badminton, D. Hockey. Time starts now. Question 5. Which among the following is the women's equivalent of Davis Cup? A. Hopman Cup, Fed Cup, BMW Cup, Open, D. Melrose Cup. Time starts now. Question 6. The terms volley, smash, service are related to which among the following sports? A. Volleyball, B. Lawn tennis, C. Table tennis, D. Archery. Your time starts now. 3 hours of football are famous in which country? Peru, B. Mexico, C. Brazil, D. USA. Countdown starts now. Question 8. Who is the president of International World Game Association? Jose Perrin Lopez, Andrew Parents, Duane Cale, Robert Stedford. Countdown starts now. Question 9. Where are the headquarters of International Hockey Federation located? A. Lausanne, Berlin, Amsterdam, London. Countdown starts now. When did the World Chess Championship begin officially? A. 1946, B. 1925, C. 1899, D. 1886. Your time starts now. So please subscribe, like, share our video now. Please, your just one click will give us support to make videos like this, educational videos like this. Please, you can do this much of effort. You have to just click these things and please share, because knowledge is the as much knowledge is spread, it increases. So next question is, which among the following games was previously known as Minecraft? Options are volleyball, B football, C archery, D cricket. Countdown starts now. Question 12 is, the term double fault is associated with A tennis, B football, C high jump, D long jump. Your time starts now. A game called Moksha was created by the 13th century poet Saint Gyan Dev. It is the original version of which of the following games of today? A Ludo, B Snakes and Ladders, C Carom, D Chess. Your time starts now. Cue, zigzag, and breakpot are the terms associated with the game of A. Lawn tennis, B. Football, C. Billiards, none, and D. None of the above. So your time starts now. In volleyball, which player wears different jersey than others? Option A is libero, B defender, C goalkeeper, D striker. So your time starts now. Question 17. What is the name of the largest basketball league in USA? A. NEC, B. NBA, C. CNN, D. NHL. So your time starts now. Question 18 is, pen holders grip is used in which of the following sports? A. Chess, B. Cricket, C. Badminton, D. Table tennis. Your time starts now. Question 19. In tennis, if a service hits the net before reaching the receiver, then what it is called? A. Fault, B. Double fault, C. Draw, D. Let. Your time starts now. Question 20 is, Holka trophies is associated with which sport? Option A. Bridge, B. Kho-Kho, C. Badminton, D. Table tennis. So your time starts now. The Sports Authority of India (SAI) has recently approved national coaching camp for which sports? A. Tennis, B. Cricket, C. Hockey, D. None of the above. So your time starts now. Question 22. The Sports Authority of India (SAI) on Dhyan Chand's birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day in which day? A. 29 July, B. 29 August, 29 March and D. 29 April. Your time starts now. Question 23. What was the position of India's men's national hockey team at the Rio Olympics? A2, B9, C8, D5. Your time starts now. Question 24. When was the first cricket club established in India? A. 1890, B. 1780, C. 1792, D. 1905. Your time starts now. Question 25. When was the Downhill World Cup inaugurated? A. 1989, B. 1997, C. 1991, D. 1986. Your time starts now. Please subscribe, like, share now and increase your knowledge by sharing this video. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you for watching.